Good morning, my friend. Listen, something happened last night, obviously, because this morning I came to put all the video together, editing and stuff that you guys, we have to do to post it on my YouTube channel. And unfortunately, the sound was completely off for some reason. I don't know, it was a battery, it was whatever it was just not working. So that's why today I'm here to explain what I was saying last night. So I got this commission, this piece that I did last night based on one of my YouTube channel. I believe it was 825, and I'm going to put that link below that you can look at it. It basically, this is exact same as that one. That's why I got the order for this one. So same size canvas, is 30 by 48. Same color combination, same red on the base, same color combination on the top, but this time I changed a little bit shape of the basically all the whole art. And I want to go and tell you guys, you could use the same color combination, but the result could be different. So that's what I was trying to say last night. And today when I came back, I was hoping that nothing will change. And sometimes when you do the art, next day you look at it, it's a little bit different. But no, this piece is absolutely gorgeous. It's remained still the same as last night. So I'm very, very happy about it. So guys, if you like my art, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave a comment below. If you want me to do different color combination, please let me know. I would be more than happy to do it for you guys, because personally I love and I enjoy doing this. Couple of things in my life that I really enjoy: my work and going to the gym is fun for me. Doing the art is just, I enjoy doing it. Same as my work, when I'm cutting hair, when I'm doing this stuff, it's stuff that I do in my life. I just enjoy doing them. And so art is one of them that I really have fun with it and I enjoy doing it. So again, if you want me to do something a little bit different, I'll be happy to hear it. Anyhow, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Until next video from Ben's Art Studio, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, my friend.